Welcome to the Sage 50 US Edition Year-End Support Learning Topic. In this topic, we will review the process to correct accounts that have improperly zeroed balances after closing the year. If general ledger account balances have closed improperly after running the year-end wizard, it usually means that the accounts are assigned the incorrect account type. To resolve the problem, first, you will assign the correct account types to the accounts. Then, you will check for data synchronization issues by running the Chart of Accounts Journal Synchronization test. Use caution when following the steps outlined in this video. Seek the assistance of a qualified network administrator, Sage partner, or Sage 50 customer support analyst. Always create a backup of your Sage 50 company data before proceeding with the advanced steps outlined in this topic. Follow the instructions outlined in this topic on the computer that hosts the company data. Log on to the host computer as a computer administrator, and log in to your Sage 50 company data with administrator or full access credentials. To resolve this issue, you may be asked to run specialized database integrity checks included in the program. To ensure that you have the most recently available integrity check utility, please install the latest service release for Sage 50. Sage 50 is designed to close out balances with the account types of income, cost of sales, and expense, and equity gets closed into the retained earnings account when the year-end wizard closes a year. When balance sheet accounts such as assets and liabilities close out after running the year-end wizard, it usually means that the accounts were incorrectly assigned an account type that was meant to close. To correct this issue, first change your accounting period to period 1. Click the accounting period icon on the main window, and on the Change Accounting Periods window, change the accounting period to 01. To assign the correct account type to the improperly zeroed accounts, select Maintain from the menu bar, and then select Chart of Accounts. On the Maintain Chart of Accounts window, select an account that has incorrectly closed. In this demonstration, the accounts receivable account is incorrectly assigned an account type of income. Because income type accounts close at the end of the year, the accounts receivable account has zeroed out. To correct the problem, we will change the account type of the account to accounts receivable, which is a non-closing asset type account. Let's save the changes. In this demonstration, the accounts payable account balance is also closing incorrectly. We will change the account type from expenses, which is designed to close, to the account type accounts payable. Now let's exit the Chart of Accounts window. Because the accounts were closed in this state using the year-end wizard, a synchronization test needs to be run to synchronize the journals with the new changes. In this step, you will run the Chart of Accounts Journal Synchronization test. This test is more intensive than data verification and is used to deep scan the data for file errors and correct synchronization issues with your general ledger information that may cause the problems that you are experiencing. Select Help on the main menu bar, select Support Utilities, and then select Integrity Check. The Integrity Checker window displays. Click the Backup button to make a backup. Rename the backup file name so that you can identify it as your Integrity Check backup. After the backup completes, the Integrity Check window displays. There are 4 steps in this process. First, you will reindex 3 files one at a time. Reindexing these files ensures that they are not damaged. If you receive an error during a reindex step, you will need to restore an earlier backup and reindex the file again. Only when there are no errors when reindexing a file can you then proceed. Check the Reindex Files option. In the Reindex File list, select Chart. Now click OK. You may see a progress window display. When it's finished, you will be placed back in the main program window. Select Help on the main menu bar again, Support Utilities, and then select Integrity Check. On the Integrity Checker window, click the Continue button. Check the Reindex Files option, and in the Reindex File list, select JRNL. Now click OK. When it's finished checking the file, you'll be placed back in the program's main window. Once again, select Help,
Support Utilities,
and then Integrity Check. Click Continue. Check the Reindex Files option. In the Reindex file list, select JRNL rows and click OK. When it's finished, you'll be placed back in the program's main window. Once again, select Help,
Support Utilities,
and then Integrity Check. Click Continue, and this time check the Chart of Accounts/Journal option. This test is run to correct several common general ledger errors. It will also resync the general ledger information with your chart of accounts. Now click OK. During this process, if synchronization errors are found, you will be prompted that they have been corrected. In this demonstration, the chart of accounts journal test was completed without errors. After the test is complete, change back to your current accounting period.
Now check your General Ledger Trial Balance report to ensure that the balances are correct. If they are still incorrect, please contact Sage 50 Customer Support for further assistance.
Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, please visit us at sageu.com.